Welcome to your home sweet home. So this is a fantastic and very unique property here in Inverness, Florida. It is downtown Inverness, which is our county seat. Really great location, very easy to get to a lot of the attractions around Florida. So first I want to show you this house, then I'm going to take you outside and show you all the neat things that the property brings. And one of the things you'll notice is it's a large corner lot. So we'll talk about that here in a minute. But just take a look at the space that you have here. Yes, this house was built in 1970, so it does have a 1970s vibe currently. And if that's not appealing to you, it is a clean slate for you to come in and really make this home what you want it to be. But the flow is wonderful. We've got the living room, dining room, kitchen, all right in this area here. And then we're going to go down the hallway to the left here and see the 3 bedrooms and the 2 baths. One thing I want you to notice is these closets are huge. You've got a lot of depth in these closets, which you wouldn't realize without looking into them. Here's another nice closet that could serve well as linen, could be overflow pantry, you know, a lot of things you could do with that space. This is the first bedroom, and this house has the double pane windows. It does have fans in, I believe, all of the bedrooms. We'll check that out. Here is the second bedroom, and there's a bathroom right there next to it. One of the really unique things about this property is that it has a basement. So the garage is actually built as part of the basement, the attached garage, and there's also a detached garage. So that basement could potentially be finished. There's a little over 1,000 square feet of basement area that could be finished to add to the living area. So as it stands, this floor of the house has 1,647 square feet of living area. And then you could add another 1,000 square feet to make it total out at 2,600 square feet of living area if you decided to finish off that basement. So good sized bedrooms. This bedroom, the closet is actually this closet in the hallway. So you really could potentially make this a master suite if you wanted to put a door at the end of this hallway and just close this whole section off to be a private bedroom, which I think is what I would do. It's always nice to have that private suite. So here's the kitchen. It has been updated with these beautiful wood cabinets, and these are soft closed doors and drawers. Look at all of these cabinets for your pantry space. Right here we've got the top cabinets for that stuff you don't access very often. You've got a gas stove, which would be run off of a propane tank. And of course, sink overlooking the front yard, and some nice space here if you wanted to add another small breakfast table. And then this beautiful living room with a fireplace. One of the highlights of this house is this amazing pool. This pool is huge. So if you want to have pool parties, let me tell you what, party away, because you can get a lot of people into this pool. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a vinyl liner on the pool. The liner was replaced a few years ago. I also want to note that the roof was replaced in 2019. So some of the biggest ticket items have already been updated for you. And we're going to walk on outside now before we go to the basement. So this property is fully chain link fence. It's ready to go for the dogs if you've got dogs. We've got a gated driveway here up to this detached garage. And you could get easily 2 cars in this detached garage, and then miscellaneous equipment as well. And then we have another driveway that goes to the basement garage on the main house, and then we also have a side driveway. So there are 3 different gates and driveways to access the property. So again, if you would like to have parties, you have plenty of space to have people park and entertain. So this is an awesome workshop area. We also have this extra attached space here that creates another storage or workshop type space. Also a carport right here off of the garage. So there's another place for covered parking. And that, as you can see, does have the concrete pad as well. Beautiful mature trees on this property. Just gorgeous. Lots and lots of land to do some gardening if you would like, or anything else that you enjoy. You've got the space to do it here. I like the little bump out there by the pool. Looks like it'd make a nice sitting area just to sit and watch people swim and maybe lay out in the Chase Lounge. So we're coming up now to the side entry garage space that is underneath the house. So this is a unique design. The house builds up onto a hill, so of course it's high and dry. And you have one car garage here. And then off of this starts the space that could be utilized as additional living area. Now I do believe that this garage bay is not counted in the 1,000 square feet, because when you look at the county record, it actually shows a 2-car garage, but the way we have it set up here, we're just calling it a 1-car because functionally it would probably not be as ideal to park a car there right now. So when you walk back here, you can see that there's some different built-in counters and cabinets and things like that. We've got a separate room here, which could certainly be a nice office or an additional bedroom downstairs. It does have a closet. All of this space, these are the stairs that go up to the main living area, and that walks out right next to the front door that we walked into. All of this space could be finished. You'd want to put it under heat and air to make it living area. Even some plumbing for a bathroom down here. So that's awesome if you wanted to make this in-law apartment. There's also some additional storage. I mean, just all kinds of hidden finds in this house. That's what's fun about an older house, I think, is you get to see some things that stand the test of time and are extra special. We've got a door here that actually would take you to the pool, so you can walk upstairs to the pool from the basement. So also nice to have that extra access. And we'll just walk back through so you can see the property again. You see out here by the driveway we've got some citrus trees, so you can have some Florida fruit. And then we just walk up this nice hill back to where we started from. So a really cool property. Again, it's very unique for our area. It's a different style with the basement, and it gives you a lot of flexibility on how you use this house. So if you're interested in this property, please reach out to me. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. We believe everyone deserves a luxury experience. You can reach my team at 352-794-1426, and we'd be happy to give you a private tour, give you some more information on this property. And please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you could stay tuned for more great properties as we bring them to the market.